Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. You're back with SBE Aesthetics, and today we're going to be doing another makeup look. So we're going to be doing like a cranberry eye makeup look with a dark lip. So this is going to be like your fall to winter type look. It's going to be pretty dope. So if you want to see how this is going to turn out, keep on watching. Make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe down below to my channel. So without further ado, we're going to get right started. So we're going to go in with this Louise base in Rumour 2. This is what it's looking like. I just put some on my hand. So it's very bright, but we need it bright so that I can put it on. So I can put my eyeshadow on. I'm going to just take this flat brush right here. I don't really have too many brushes here with me, and I'm just going to like rub it on my eye. You know what I mean? Do the same over here. I just want to get the product on there. Then I'm just going to take like a blending brush. This is the MORPHE JH33. I'm not really big, I don't know. I guess it does what it does, but I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna pat that in there. Oh, okay, I guess it does look pretty good. I was watching somebody do this, and I never thought to like pat it with a blending brush. But it actually kind of works, so not bad. We got that all blended and it's splendid. I don't think I have to set it or anything. I'm not going to. I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna just leave it like that and be done. So anyways, before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and use some tape because this is gonna help me. I don't want to take a lot of time cleaning up. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna make sure that's blended. And the cool thing is, when you do it, you don't have to worry about like any fallout right here. You don't have to clean it because the tape is gonna clean it. It's gonna be easy to clean and you get right to it. So let's just get started. So I said we're gonna be doing like a cranberry makeup look. So that's gonna be like your typical fall look or even like winter look. I mean, you can wear that look in the summer too, but I just think the cranberry look goes really great with the fall and winter weather. Yes. So I'm going to be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, eyeshadow palette. I do really need to invest in other eyeshadow palettes at the moment. This is what I'm working with for my own personal use. So I do have another one, but it's a Morphe one, I believe. It's okay. So taking that same eyeshadow or blender brush that I use to blend that Louise Rumour 2, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to go in, I guess, cranberry. I'm wearing a white shirt, please Lord, oh goodness. I'm wearing a white shirt. I don't want to. So I'm going to act like a little baby real quick. I don't want to get no eyeshadow like on my white shirt. I shouldn't have did that, but anyway. I guess I'm gonna start off with like maybe like a purple. We're gonna start off with a purple and red. Somewhere we're gonna get this purple, and maybe this red, or maybe this. One of these three I'm starting off with. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna do the purple. So I'm gonna start by like just tapping that purple right in my crease area, right there. Just tapping, rub, tapping. tap tap. Yeah, gonna really build up that color. You know, on the other eye, we're gonna tap, tap, tap. Most of the time I do, like I can't complete a whole eye and then do, like I have to go like back and forth, if that makes sense. So we're gonna take another blending brush. This is a little smaller one, and we're gonna focus it a little bit more deeper in that crease area, like right here. And get a little deeper. We're gonna take a little, it's like a little darker maroonish color, purple. Gonna really get that baby to pop. And I'm just going back in with that first shade that I have with this brush. I'm not adding anything. I'm just using what I have on there. Just blending this, taking it up just a little higher where I see it could go. Just a little higher than where it's at. Then I'm gonna go in with that red. We're gonna go right up on top of that, right on top of that pinkish color. We're gonna add that red. I'm gonna go in and add some of that red in my crease because I want to kind of like get that popping a little bit more, you know. I want that cranberry feel just a little bit more. When you're trying to create colors, sometimes you have to like do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? Because sometimes colors are just not always going to work with each other, you know what I mean? They're just not. So. Alright. I used a total of 3 colors all on my eyelid so far. Just 3 colors, just 3 colors. So I'm gonna do a baby cut crease because I don't really like this brush. It's flat, but it's not really that great. Whew, bear with me, y'all. We gonna see how this works. So this is what it's looking like thus far, okay? Thus far, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna like dab it. I'm just hoping, like, I got this red. It's okay. It's an okay red. But we gotta make sure. We gotta make sure it's okay. Perfect. You guys, and I'm using all matte shades. These are all mattes, so. Yeah, you guys, this is my little cranberry makeup look. It's getting cute already. KO. Now let's add that purple. Give it some cranberry-ish. I am gonna go in with this darker purple just because I feel like we want a great cranberry purple, y'all. Hey, 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 like a pineapple. Hey, hey, hey. I was a little skeptical because I didn't know how this damn thing was gonna turn out, but I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. For sure. I'm gonna put it at the bottom of my eye. So I'm gonna go in with this Mary Kay liner that I got, and I'm gonna go ahead and line up my eyes. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and finished up my eye look. As you can see, I added the lashes, I finished the wing liner, I cleaned up, I put my foundation and stuff on. I even added some eyeshadow up underneath my eyes. And so now I'm going to go in with the lip. I'm going to be using the lip liner in Ruby Kisses by Burgundy. So I'm going to go ahead and outline my lip now. Then I'm going to go in with, I have these colors right here. I'm going to go in with the dark one because I said I'm going to do a dark lip. And this one is, so this is by Kat Von D, and this is in the color Vimpira. Vimpira. Oh yeah, this is really cranberry-ish. Alright. This is a pretty look. Pretty color. I must admit. It does not help that my lips are chapped. Promise you, like. Okay. I'm liking the color. It's pretty dope. So this is the finished look. Sorry, let me make sure. I'm gonna spray my face. So just bear with me. Whatnot. So I'm gonna spray my face like I just did. Y'all see this one earring? I'm gonna take this one earring out. Cause I know y'all like bagging on me. I'm gonna put these earrings on right here. I got these from Forever 21 in Kansas City. Yeah, they had them first on sale. So I got that one. Yes, sis, I did. I got them. And they bomb. I got a cute shirt to go with them too. So So you guys, this is the look. I think I'm cute. Yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe to SBE Aesthetics. I'm back again with more videos. This is the red grape cranberry makeup look tutorial. This is going to be really good for like the fall or the winter. It's gorgeous. I love how it came out. I was a little skeptical because I'm like, I don't know how this is going to come out, but I like it. It's bomb. I forgot where I got the lashes from, but I know they're 3D lashes, so they're pretty like glam. Make sure you subscribe, SBE Aesthetics. Go to my Facebook, SBE Aesthetics. Go to the gram, SBE Aesthetics. And stay tuned for more videos.